It takes months to pull off an event like this. And I think having a team that makes it happen, no one can pull these things off alone.
Mumbai witnesses a festival not of friction but of fusion. Welcome to BNI One Mumbai's ICPL Season 9.
You see a lot of bonding happening, a lot of cross-region, cross-chapter business going to happen, and more importantly, fun is happening across all sports.
The entire team came together with one intention to give the best experience to all our members and make it bigger and better ICPL.
As a commissioner, क्या है ना ये दिल से आ रहा है. So we love doing what we do. So it didn't feel that it's a work for us. It was like a celebration whenever we bet. कि हम लोग का वो हंसी मजाक and the seriousness both was there.
This year, ICPL evolved. It was bigger. It was better. It pushed the boundaries of what a sports fest could be by introducing a whole new dynamic to the field.
So ICPL 9 for these 5 days have been extremely thrilling is the word that comes to me. The matches, also the extra games that have been added, pickleball, tennis, chess, carom, all have added to the excitement of the entire ICPL.
Sports, much like business, is a mirror to life. It is not always about the victory lap. There are heartbreaking moments, the miscatch, the lost point, the business deal that slipped through your fingers. But the beauty of an entrepreneur and an athlete is the same. We always bounce back.
It's been nail-biting for most of the people. There were so many close matches, not only in cricket but other sports as well.
The best part was more than 1,000 matches across the 5 sports was played in just 5 days, and it was an amazing experience with more than 3,000 plus people participating and cheering their teams.
Nobody wants to miss ICPL. Across the years, I've only seen the fan following even increasing day by day. So next year, और धमाका होगा. Maybe we'll go to a bigger venue. I don't know.
ICPL Season 9 proved that when we play together, we grow together. Because in this city that never sleeps, we have found a way to dream together.
I think it's a platform where once a year our members are connecting and making meaningful relationships.
Prajwal, एक cold coffee, Vietnamese cold coffee, please.
Oh yeah, the coffee group is nothing but the bonding what we have in the team, and that is something which we cherish. It's a memory for us.
Some secrets need to be secret, but you need that coffee boost as well to ensure that everyone is energized.
So we've always had our sponsors support us in the entire process.
To execute such an event, you need support from sponsors, partners, stall owners, everyone, commissioners, everyone has participated. So I really want to thank sponsors and partners from the bottom of my heart.
BNI One Mumbai presents ICPL Season 9. Celebrate, collaborate, concord.